let's just start.
It isn't real until I keyboard it.
Mm-hmm.
And I still, actually, one of the things that I still do over and over is just write in notebooks, get, big old moleskins and things, and just handwrite, because it's not real. But one way you get through the wall is just by convincing yourself that it doesn't matter. Nobody's ever going to see your first draft. And that's the thing that you may be agonizing over, but honestly, whatever you're doing can be fixed. And you can fix it tomorrow, and you can fix it next week. For now, just get the words out. Get the story down however you can get it down. The process of writing can be magical. There are times when you step out of an upper floor window and you just walk across thin air, and it's absolute and utter happiness. Mostly it's a process of putting one word after another. So when people come to me and they say, I want to be a writer, what should I do? I say, you have to write. Sometimes they say, well, I'm already doing that.
Robin Kurt here. One of the coolest scenes in the book is the one where the monster wipes out power to the town.
Well, half the town.
Right, half the town, right. It crashes the gate of this major substation.
And it climbs on top of this building.
And, I thought it jumped up.
It jumps? Like a bunny rabbit?
No. It's a mighty leap of power, like able to leap tall buildings in a single bound.
Does it matter?
No. Anyway, it's on top of this tall building.
Just a regular building.
It's on top of this regular building, and with its trunk-like arms, it punches holes in the walls and rips out the heart of the whatever is in that building, and out go the lights.
Oh, I was seeing it throw stuff into the power lines that set off like fireworks, and then out go the lights.
Yeah, but what if it misses?
Not gonna miss.
But if it missed...
Can't miss.
But if it missed, it might get, demoralized, and that doesn't work. Nobody's frightened of a demoralized monster.
True, but...
Anyway, the power goes out, and the monster escapes into darkness.
But why?
Why what?
Why does it escape into darkness? Is it being chased? Did it get scared?
I doubt it.
Was it all part of some dastardly plan?
Oh, stop.
What?
That would be giving too much away.